guys, my name is Stefania. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be about Lily lashes. I ordered a few pairs of the sample sale lashes, so they were 50% off, and I want to see if these are as good quality as the other ones. First time ever ordering for them sample sale, so they're about 15 bucks, and we will get into the try on portion and I'll let you know my thoughts, all that stuff. If you are not subscribed, then please subscribe. I upload at least 3 to 4 times a week, so I'd love to have you guys be part of my little family. And let's go ahead and try some lashes on. Alright guys, so I did want to talk about these lashes a little bit before trying them on. I don't know how many times she has the sample sale, but just keep an eye out on your email list. And, you know, they sent me an email and that's how I knew about it. But it was $15. And I'll read you a little bit about the description of these. They are 3D mink. It says, throughout the year, Lily Lashes team designs many lashes that are top secret lash lab and creates a ton of glam styles. Sometimes these samples do not pass our strict quality control standards to sell or arrive slightly off. So once they are gone, they are gone. So you don't really know what you're gonna get, which is kind of scary. But usually her lashes that are the 3D mink retail for, I believe, like $29.99, so about 30 bucks, and these were 15. So we'll see what I think. Not cheap, but for 3D mink, pretty cheap, like definitely affordable. So usually anytime I look up, even compared to other brands, the mink ones are always definitely more expensive. So the 3D mink are definitely my favorite from her line. I haven't tried on a ton of them yet, but I do really enjoy them. So I'm going to show you kind of close up of what they look like. These are the 2 pairs. So I ordered 2. Oh, get that thing out of the way. I ordered 2, and they are definitely 2 different styles, which I'm very happy about. I'm glad they weren't the same exact style. There's no style names on them. It just says sample sale 50% off on the back rather than the usual style name. When looking through my collection, I did feel like this set, here, let me open this so you guys can really take a look. These are the Miami lashes, which retail for 30 bucks, and these are the sample sale lashes, and they are pretty similar. Not exactly, but definitely close. So just to kind of give you guys an idea. I am doing her subscription right now, so if you guys ever want to see an in-depth review of whether, you know, my favorite pairs or anything like that, then let me know which style you want to see. But yeah, we are going to try on these lashes. So I do know I have to cut them a little bit. I'm trying to decide, yeah, we'll go with these ones first. Or at least I usually do with all of her lashes. So let's break my eyeballs first. I got this really cute lash curler from Amazon. It's called Precision Eyelash Curler. If you guys ever Google, like, you know, you like swipe on your phone and then it has all these Google stuff. Mine always appears with makeup because they creepy and they watch what I do apparently. But regardless, they said that these were like one of the best selling pairs. So they were only 10 bucks on Amazon. They come with this cute little bag and they're just pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl. I don't know why I'm so scared of these things, but I have not had one in forever because I'm just terrified I'm gonna, like, I don't know, rip my eyelashes out or something. We're gonna go ahead and put on some mascara. We're gonna do Benefits Roller Lash. Whew. Hope you guys had a good Father's Day. We went out to dinner, and then and then the next night we went over to my dad's. And then my dad's birthday is tomorrow, so it's a lot. June is a very busy family month. My family has all summer birthdays except for one sister, but then everybody else is in June, July, and August. So I'm broke for these months. All right, where did I put the tube? So I'm gonna grab some tweezers. These are my Anastasia tweezers, and I swear, they used to be amazing, and then I've had them for about a year. All of a sudden, they just stopped working. Like, they won't pull out any hair. I have no idea what happened. Okay, so this is what the lash looks like. So they look super different from normal lashes. I remember when I first ordered Lily lashes, I was like, I guess this is the 3D part, because they definitely look messy. But when you have them on the eye, they're not. All right. But at least the two look the same, so that's good. So let's see how much cutting we are gonna have to do. I have a lot of glue on these ones, so they are sticking to my fingers. Yeah, so I'm definitely gonna have to trim them, for sure. Yeah. Yeah, that's too much. So I'm just gonna take a small pair of scissors. So I'm just gonna take about, I go really slow on this because if you overcut, you're screwed. You can't glue it back on. I like how I'm just like not showing you guys what the hell I'm doing. All right, so that is probably good. Okay, I'm gonna glue these on and I will be right back. I figured I will not show you how I glue them on because it will take way too long. I'm gonna use my Duo lash glue and I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. So here are the lashes close up. All right, so as far as these ones went on, they were fine. I mean, they go on pretty easy. If you are unfamiliar with Lily lashes, the band is pretty thick. As far as application goes, I know the inner corners are not that great, but that's because I'm about to put on another pair, and so I'm not gonna like fidget too much with those. But they're super dramatic. I do think they look a lot like the Miami lashes. They're a little crazier as far as, make sure you guys can see them. They kind of have more, like, hairs are just a little bit more like crazy on them, I guess is what I'm trying to say. But as far as the way they look, I like them. I don't feel like they're less quality than the other pairs or anything like that. It's just more of like, you know, you're not picking out a style, what you get is what you get. So I am happy with these. They're definitely a dramatic lash. So if you like that, for 15 bucks, and you can get, I think it says like 20 to 25 wears out of Lily lashes in the 3D. So for $15, that's not bad at all. When I try to compare lashes to certain things, I'm always like, if I were to go, you know, I used to get lash extensions, and those cost me about 50 bucks every 3 weeks I went in. So when I think of it like that, I'm just like, I'm now enjoying strip lashes a lot more because I can choose what style and intensity I want. Do I miss waking up and feeling ready to go? Sometimes, yeah. Yeah, when I go to work at 6 o'clock in the morning, I'm like, I miss them. But the rest of the time, no, I don't really miss them. I like being able to rub my eyes and to take these off. And two, I just didn't have the patience to sit on the table. I'd always start freaking out like 25 minutes in and my eyes would water. And so yeah. Let's go ahead and try on the second pair. These I think are gonna be a little bit less dramatic, so that's why I chose to have them second, so I can actually wear them for today. But that's what those look like close up. So same thing, I'm gonna trim these, put these on, and I will be right back. These are the second pair close up. Okay, so these are the second pair. I like these. I think I like these a little bit more just because they're more natural. At the same time, when I want a night out, I think I like these ones a little bit more just because they are very dramatic. So it kind of depends on your personal preference. I'm really glad they gave me one of both. Okay, so my overall thoughts, I feel like they were very similar to the normal ones that you get. I don't feel like there was a quality issue. The first pair were definitely very, like, I guess furry is the thing I would say, close up. So they're just very, I did another close up for you guys before too, but they're just a little bit more like very like spider legs, I guess. But they still looked really nice on, and like I said, I do think that they're similar to other styles. The style I have on right now, looking on the website, I would think it'd be kind of like Doha. I haven't tried those out yet, but I do feel like even if you got these, like the downside is if you really like them, there's no style name on them. So it's not like you can go and order another pair or anything like that. So you can't, like, that kind of sucks. Like if you fall in love with the lash, well, those are your only pair. At the same time, I think it's a great way to try out Lily lashes, or if you ever wanted to try out a 3D mink and just see what you think. I think the 15 bucks is totally worth it, especially if you get 20 to 25 wears out of them. I didn't feel like the lashes came kind of like, I was kind of worried they wouldn't be the same. Like one lash would be different than the other lash, but both pairs of mine didn't. I like that I got 2 different pairs. I don't know if that's always the case, but I kind of looked at reviews for the sample sale, and usually people said that if they ordered 2 pairs, then they did get 2 different pairs. So I do like that. I got one that was dramatic, one for the daytime. So I would definitely say it was worth the $15. Like, mink lashes now are just, they're pricey. They are just pricey. So, you know, not bad if you want to just try it out and see what you like. And then, you know, they're, like I said, there were similar styles on the website. So even though you can't get that specific style, if you fall in love with it, you can still try another one, and at least you got them for 15 bucks. So, like I said, I do have a subscription now to Lily Lashes. So if you guys want to see any of the pairs and see my review of them, I think so far I have Miami, I have Sydney. What else do I have? I have Makeup Samuel. I have a Ella. Yeah. So if there's any that you guys want to see my review on, then let me know. But as far as the quality, all that stuff, it was up to par with the normal Lily lashes. So I am very excited that I did this. And I'm glad I took the gamble, you know, because you never know. I could be mad. I'm someone who, like, even if I spent $5, I'd still be like, that was a waste of money. But I didn't feel like that at all. So I hope this review was helpful. Like I said, I think you should just sign up for the emails. That way you do get notified the next time they have a sample sale. And let me know your guys' favorite pairs from them, or if you've never tried them. But I do recommend the sample sale lashes as well as their other lashes. But I have some that I love and some that I'm like, not my style. And I think that's just like everything in general. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini review, trying out lashes with me, and let me know your thoughts. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Hopefully you guys can see this a little bit closer in terms of what I meant by the hairs kind of go everywhere. There we go. So if you're not liking that type of look, then these are probably not for you.